Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Mazda CX-5. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, turn on Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Next, access the Mazda Connect infotainment system using the commander knob or touchscreen. This initial setup prepares both your car and phone for a smooth pairing process, making sure everything is ready before you proceed to the next steps. Now that your car and phone are ready, navigate to the settings menu on your Mazda's display. From there, you will want to select Devices and then Bluetooth. Look for the option to add new device to start the pairing process. Your Mazda CX-5 will then begin searching for available Bluetooth devices nearby, including your phone. Once your phone appears on the Mazda's screen, select it from the list. A pairing code will then display on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm that these codes match. Finally, your Mazda CX-5 may ask for permission to access your phone's contacts and messages. Granting this access allows for full functionality, like hands-free calling. If you encounter any issues, try a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, restart both your mobile phone and the Mazda Connect infotainment system. Sometimes, deleting old or unused pairings from both devices can resolve connection problems. Also, ensure your phone's operating system and the Mazda's software are up to date for optimal performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.